So DCIM, so DCIM, it's not the folder on your phone that holds all the photos. Some people might get that confused. In the data center world, DCIM stands for Data Center Infrastructure Management. And so it sounds like a really long job title, but it's
Yeah.
basically, yeah, I'm in charge of basically, so imagine you have a data center, you have a bunch of electrical equipment, right? And then you have a lot of HVAC equipment. Well, back in the old days, before the world of SCADA, you had to have people walk around and do rounds and look at the meters and look at, hey, this pump's at, this speed and this and all that. But SCADA, which is supervisory control access data acquisition is what it technically stands for, but it's a
Yeah.
platform that allows you to see your entire plant. So someone can sit at a computer and they can click, let's say they want to look at an air handling unit in a certain space, they could just click it on the HMI and look at different monitoring points, things like that. So it helps an operator be able to visually see what's in their building. So DSIM's job is to manage that system. So you kind of have three different layers. You have the visualization layer, the what you can see when you log into your computer, and then there's the actual controls layer, which is doing all the controls. So if you're having something like a PLC, for example, or a controller that's controlling HVAC units, or for your electric plant monitoring system, if you have a gateway device that's monitoring a power meter, that's your control architecture level. And then you have the first level, which is just the physical cabling, so your Ethernet cables and your RS-485. So a DSIM engineer is in charge of making sure all that stuff is set up correctly, configured, and troubleshooting when it eventually will screw up.